My design consists of a doubling of the block perimeter. The outer layer strictly follows the octagonal block shape of the Poblenou, while the inner layer bounds a round plaza. One unit of the outer layer is assigned to each unit in the inner ring, and a narrow alley meanders between them. By setting back or advancing the buildings, wider and narrower places are generated, niches or even small squares. There are openings of various sizes. Larger entrances come from the squares or as an extension of a neighborhood street and lead directly into the interior. Smaller entrances in turn lead onto the narrow alley, almost as an informal shortcut. This routing allows the alley to be a more intimate space. The outer 4-story buildings rise above the inner 2-story buildings. This turns the roofs into the front gardens of the outer block. The entire roof space forms a quiet public garden, set off from the lively square. The round plaza is surrounded by an arcade. This forms a filter layer between the public space and the private studio buildings. It consists of 3 levels. The lowest level leads to the square via 3 steps. The middle level offers space for the residents. On the top level, one can stroll along the roof gardens. The studio house is divided into 3 units, each with its own studio and a flat above. The front entrance of Studio A faces the square. A shop window offers direct view from the arcade, where one can move along the studios in the shade. The floor plan is very free and is suitable for work that requires ground level access. The rear entrance from the alley is exclusively for residents. From there, a staircase leads to the small flat in the upper floor. The living space faces the pergola, which can be used by the residents as an ably shaded outdoor space. At the rear, a bridge serves as a common balcony connecting Studio A and B. Studio B borders directly on the street and is therefore suitable for walk-in customers. The living entrance is located on the residential alley. On the upper floor, the rooms are arranged on one side, while the living space extends over the entire depth of the building. In the middle of the floor plan, an overhead room connects the working and living floors. To reach Studio C, one has to walk through the roof garden and across a small bridge. The studio is suitable for work that is less audience-oriented, as it cannot be reached directly. On the other hand, it has a quiet location and direct access to the roof garden. The upper floor offers its own terrace and a view into the interior of the block. On the street side, the window openings can be closed with sliding wooden shutters. Overall, the neighborhood has a high density, which is counterbalanced by the openness of the public square and the roof gardens. In summer, plenty of shade allows people to spend time on the plaza, on the roof, in the alley or on the pavement. The working area of each unit of the studio house is connected in its own way to the public square, and each flat has its own small outdoor space.